The gift of moisture. There you go. That one was wobbly.
You guys definitely did not take me to anything like this.
You're awake. Welcome back. That's a cute little house over there. I suspected that Tuesday afternoon at 1:35 wasn't gonna be a mad rush, and it was, so I can't imagine how much worse it would be any other day. Like, I had a friend who went on Sunday. What was that like? See how cute that house is? It's a little.
Did you bring a charger for my phone though? No.
The steps with depth look kind of like an optical illusion. You good? Yeah. I already started to cross. We'll meet you on the other side, or do you want me to wait? Okay. This one's a little bit steep, and the sides are a little less high compared to the other. On the list of things Tommy would absolutely hate, this is probably like higher than anything he's ever done before. Because even I'm getting a little woo on this one. Oh. Okay. That one was wobbly. There you go. That one was a lot.
Not for Tommy. Not for Tommy.
Not for Tommy. The gift of moisture.
Oh, I might actually do what you've always wanted. I said I might have to share. You figured it out.
A star is born. He did the T. We're ready. Got the first letters, first word even. Actually, a lot of the letters just repeat, so got most of it. There we go. Beautiful. Very nice. It's even got the nice pretty color.
In here.
Okay, it is in there? Oh, there he is. Easy peasy. Good job, Bao. Proud of you. I'm just a happy girl with my snacks. This is a bit of difficult terrain, but we're doing well. We're having goldfish. And we finished the applesauce. That was a lot of fun. I did not cliff jump though. Vampire hunting.
I saw.
Bigger vampire hunting. Going home.
You guys definitely did not take me to anything like this.
You would have remembered. That's why Daddy said that.
I don't know who we walked around with to get here.
It was just Tommy.
Might have been Tommy.
It must have just been you, me, and Tommy. And then I dragged her and Lorraine here in 2019. But it was also...
But I wasn't even there.
No, but that one was funny because I also dragged them across the Granville Bridge. Like I walked them all the way. I didn't take the bus. I walked them all the way
Here.
to Granville Island. Well, no, to here too, but like to Granville Island.
Right,
Oh,
we
you took
have
public transportation.
we have
To here.
public
Then even
transport.
after
But they didn't have Uber at the time. Like 2019 was before Uber, so we had to take a bus, a train, and then we walked through like a neighborhood for like a mile up a hill.
I know.
And it was dark because they came in like
And cold.
Look how cute. I haven't been here in years. And I don't know if they're gonna like it, but we're gonna give it a try. It's exactly as I remembered it, and we sat over there like 2018, like 2019, so long ago doing stats. I literally have a photo. Our group photo for our friends is underneath that thing. And cakes and things. They're just seeing if we're ready. We're not ready yet. Right? Oh. Yeah.
Daddy wine?
Just, you should get the chocolate croissant too. Are these chocolate cookies? Salted brownie. Yeah, that sounds like Tommy. Perfect. Okay. And then I'm gonna get a chocolate pastry. They're good because they've got the 20% off pastries.
She was ready to help.
Thank you. Oh, good. They didn't take your thing. Okay.
Which one do you want?
Chocolate, the same one.
Oh, well then come here and order it.
Yeah. We got cake. I'll pay. I got this one.
I can't order it.
我请你吃饭.
The closing, 8 p.m. the closing.
Yeah, it's 20% for the 8 p.m. to closing for the cookies.
Yeah.
For that. Yeah. Thanks so much. Thank you. All right, take the cakes.
Royal rib cake.
We can come back. Success.
Oh, you're gonna make your float?
Cake.
Mm-hmm.
It tasted exactly how I remember.
In the morning like that.
Ma, I think you'd actually like this chocolate cake because it's not too sweet. It's like made like Asian.
I can't eat it.
Sorry.
Alright, so what cup can I use for a float?
Oh, we moved everything. Woo!
I knew where it was before.